The Battle of Lexington, fought on April 19, 1775, marked the opening conflict of the American Revolutionary War. In the early morning hours, around 700 British troops under Major John Pitcairn marched from Boston toward Concord, aiming to seize colonial weapons and arrest key Patriot leaders. However, colonial spies, including Paul Revere, had warned the local militias of their approach. At dawn, approximately 70 Colonial Minutemen, led by Captain John Parker, assembled on Lexington Green. Outnumbered and facing a well-trained British force, the militiamen stood their ground but were ordered not to fire unless attacked. Suddenly, a shot rang out, the infamous shot heard round the world, though its source remains unknown. The British immediately fired, killing 8 militiamen and wounding several others. The remaining Patriots scattered, and the British continued their march toward Concord. Though the skirmish at Lexington lasted only minutes, it ignited the war for American independence. News of the attack spread rapidly, rallying thousands of colonial militiamen. Later that day, the British would face fierce resistance in Concord and suffer heavy losses during their retreat to Boston. The Battle of Lexington was small in scale but historically monumental, symbolizing the first armed resistance against British rule.